This is my commute most mornings. I commute to work and it's raining, but my wiper blades are really bad. So the main thing, I have to replace them as soon as I get a chance because with low visibility, I have a high probability of getting an accident. This is my new windshield and most definitely needs new wiper blades to match them. I got these really old Bosch. And I believe this is a Bosch too as well. It is breaking and the plastic cover here is missing. So I'll definitely go ahead and put new ones. And it looks really clean. One that actually has that clip so I'll be able to pull it out. But they are a pain. They're dry rotted, they're broken inside as far as the back portion of it. I should be able to stick this mini pry bar and just pull it out. But that is absolutely not the case. It's got me scratching my head, putting my little pry bar in there, pulling, pushing, and there's no way to release them. There's just basically an all wiper blade. If it was the Toyota OEM design, it would be a lot easier because all you have to do is pull up this little clip portion of the wiper blade, which is in front of the wiper blade arm, not the case right here. So this is going to take a while for me to release this, and that is pretty much a pain. If you have a similar situation like me, you just have to like really pick and pry without trying to damage your wiper blade arm. And once you release it, you'll pop it out, and we'll get into popping in the new one. The new wiper blade that I'm going to be attaching is an OEM Toyota, and I'll be also giving you the part number in a second. I have the OEM part number, which is 85212-0R050. Now let's get to it. The first thing we want to do is most likely open the bag, and they made this bag just like opening up a CD. You definitely want to pull this little tab here. You pull it and you hold it. Once you hold it, you're going to ride that into the front of the windshield wiper blade. Again, that little tab is going to be up like that. Make sure it stays up. Pull up on the wiper blade and push that tab down. Again, you're going to pull on it until it locks in place. And that once it does, you'll feel it fall right into place. And see the tab is still up. Now the last thing you want to do is push that tab. Once you hear a metallic click, done with this windshield wiper blade. It is good to go. Now the last thing you want to do is definitely throw this as far away as possible. Our next part number is 85222-02280. So just like the other one, this one's also dry rotted in place and it's stuck into the actual wiper blade arm. So I'm going to be struggling with it until I definitely pop it out. So the plastic was so dry rotted that I had to break it into smaller pieces in order for me to pull it off. Also, the actual wiper blade itself is really flimsy. It doesn't keep its shape, and just because it's older. This new one that I got, it's brand new. Once I take it out of the package, I'll show you how sturdy it is. All the plastic pieces, like the harder plastic pieces that protect it from weathering, are pretty still. It's really hardened, and it's really a nice set of wiper blades. So the change itself, again, it's just like the other one. You want this tab to stay up. You can hold it with your thumb or whatever, but definitely you just want to pop it out. See that hook right there? That's what's going to be latching inside the new wiper blade itself. So we're going to put it in there just like that. Now we're going to pull on the wiper arm. As we pushed on that hook, the clip stayed up. It rides on the inside. We're going to push it down, lock it in place, and we're going to press that little tab until it locks the top portion of that hook right there. Once you hear that metallic click, then we are done. You can move it back and forth. It's not going to come out. You know you put it on right. And even if it gets dry rotted, it'll be a lot easier than the other Bosch ones because that clip rides in front of it, and all you need is that smaller pry bar to pull them out.